lost for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Either way, I'm so excited to have you guys here today. I am just going to be doing some simple routine cleaning around my home today, and I'm also going to be doing a bedroom refresh. I got some new bedding, new pillows, and some new decor to go in there as well, so I'm really excited to share that with you guys. Now, I am a stay-at-home mom, so my days look very different every single day. I try to go through my house and just do what needs to be done that day, whether it's deep cleaning or laundry or just straightening up the house. And that is what I'm going to be doing in today's video, just going around my home and just doing some straightening up, some deep cleaning, and just doing what needs to be done around the house. So I am starting out in our living room today, as you can see, and just picking up in here. I really wanted to give the couch a really good vacuum, and I wanted to vacuum inside of the cushions as well, because the other day when I picked up one of the cushions that had fallen off, there was just so many crumbs. So I really wanted to get this done today, and then once I'm done doing that, I am just going to finish cleaning up in here, and then I will finish off by vacuuming the carpet.
Right now I'm standing in a corner, I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you, it must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to, we got nothing to lose. You're looking so old, you're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do, baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you.
While I was cleaning here in the living room, I actually got a package delivered to the door, and I was really excited because I knew that it was my new cleaning products. I asked you guys here on YouTube what your favorite multi-purpose cleaners were, and a lot of you said the Everspring brand from Target. I guess it's like their brand of like Mrs. Meyer's essentially. So I decided to try them out, and I actually really like them. The scents are really nice, but they're very light. I feel like they're not overpowering, and that's exactly what I was going for. So I did pick up 2 multi-purpose cleaners, and then I got like the matching fragrance in the dish soap. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because that is what I'm going to be cleaning my house with today. So moving upstairs, I'm going to start working on our bedroom, and I'm so excited to like finally get the bedroom looking how I want. So I'm just starting out by picking some stuff up, straightening up here and there, and I'm actually going to be taking our bassinet out of here. We do bed share with Maddie. We've bed shared with all of our kids, and so I'm not even really sure why I bought a bassinet to begin with. And then I'm also going to be practicing nap time in her crib in the girls' room. So it was just taking up space and honestly just kind of acted as like a laundry basket at the end of the day. So I was excited to have some more room on my side of the bed. And then again, I'm just going to go through the room and wipe everything down and then just finish picking some stuff up. And then I'm going to start working on the bed and just getting all of that assembled.
And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
I finally got a headboard. I know there's a few of you who were really wanting me to get a headboard or had been suggesting one for some time now. So I did finally get one. I asked you guys here on YouTube if I should do like a wood headboard or do a tufted one, and so many of you said to do the tufted. So I went with the tufted headboard and I'm so glad that I did. I just feel like it really brings the whole room together with the lamps and the picture, and I'm just loving how the space is turning out so far. I will link everything down below, including our duvet cover, the headboard, the picture, and any decor that I use in here as well. And while I'm kind of assembling our bed and getting all of that situated, I did want to introduce myself if maybe you guys are new to my channel today. My name is Whitney. I am a stay-at-home mom, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video. My husband and I live in West Virginia, and we have 3 kids, a 5-year-old son named Barrett, a almost 4-year-old daughter named Savannah, and a 3-month-old baby girl named Maddie. I do a ton of cleaning and organizing and all things motherhood here on my channel, so if that sounds like something that you would enjoy, I would love to have you subscribe and join the family. We love to meet new people and love to chat with you guys in the comments, and I really want to encourage you to leave a comment down below letting me know what you're doing today, what your weekend plans are, and that way I can welcome you to my channel. Bedroom is done and I love how it turned out. I just feel like it's more my style. I'm really into more of like the organic modern style here lately, and I'm just in love with it. So I'm gonna move on to the kitchen now and get things straightened up in here. You guys can see it's a little bit of a mess, not too crazy. Again, I'm just doing like the daily mess cleaning today. So I'm gonna start with putting a few of the clean dishes away, and then I did have a full load of dishes in the dishwasher to put away before I could do all of the dishes and get those put into the dishwasher.
I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there there for you. Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here, so won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should head now that you are not the right one for me. Let go. Let me go.
Once I'm done putting all of the dishes away and doing the dishes, I did just want to quickly clean out the sink and scrub this down. This is something that I try to do every night before I go to bed, but last night it was just a busy night and I did not get the chance to clean up the kitchen like I usually do, and so I'm just going to take a few minutes here and get this all done nice and clean, and then I will move on and start wiping down the counters.
Trying to hold on, to hold on, to hold on. Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here, so won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go.
Now, I don't know how many of you guys know this or not, but I do have a vlog channel that I started when I was 38 weeks pregnant with Maddie, and so it is relatively new. I'm still like kind of all over the place with that channel, but as many of you know, we are going to Georgia in just a month for my brother's wedding. Now, I do plan on doing like a pack and clean with me before vacation type of video here on this channel, but I wanted to ask you guys if you would want me to actually vlog the vacation on my vlog channel. We are going to be down there for 5 days. We're going to be going to Savannah, which I've never been to Savannah, and I'm so excited to go there. I've heard great things. I know that it's beautiful. And then we will be in like the Atlanta area because that's where my brother lives. That's where the wedding is. And then we're actually going to be visiting Covington, which is where the Vampire Diaries was filmed. And so like the Mystic Girl is there in the little town, and I am definitely going there while I'm down there. I'm pretty sure it's only like 10 minutes from where we are staying, so I'm so excited. But I wanted to ask you guys if that's something that you would like to see on my vlog channel, because honestly, I really want to vlog it because I think it would be a lot of fun.
Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you, 'cause it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
I'm going to finish off in the kitchen today by vacuuming and mopping, and I'm just using some Pine Sol to mop today. As I said, I think in my last video, sometimes I switch back and forth between Pine Sol or Tide powder, whatever I'm in the mood for. Here lately it's been Pine Sol. I just feel like it leaves a really nice fresh scent, especially for the summertime.
I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away.
The last actual space that I'm going to be cleaning today is the bathroom. This is something that I have to do daily. I do have a little boy, and you moms with boys, I don't even have to say it. You know exactly what that means, you know, pee everywhere. So I do try to get in here and clean up as much as I can. Just having little ones in the bathroom, and then the sink's always wet because they're trying to wash their hands. And so I just like to get in here daily if I can and just really wipe things down, get things cleaned up. So I'm just going to take a few minutes here and focus on cleaning up the bathroom.
You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know.
I do try to do a load of laundry every day. I feel like this is the only way that I can really keep up with the laundry and not feel like I'm falling behind. Obviously, I'm not perfect. That doesn't happen all the time. There are weekends where I'm doing like 8 or 9 loads of laundry in one sitting, but I have been really trying to do a load every day, especially with just how full my plate is lately with the baby and the kids and the housework and then my actual work. I just feel like it really helps me out when I do a load every single day.
Something special, wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know.
I'm actually going to end today's video right here. I know it's kind of random, but this is kind of where I ended my day of cleaning. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and you leave my channel feeling motivated and inspired to get some cleaning done in your home today. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!